shout out to the 10,000 people that watched my channel last week. And check this out. These searches led people to you. Coleman Mini Bike, Coleman CT200U, and fake turbo sound. So this is what you guys want to see right here. This Coleman Mini Bike. Just picked this up right here. I found a longer pipe, so I'm gonna put that in right now. Looks cooler than the previous one. I just wish it was shiny like the last one, but yeah, it looks cooler for sure. Here's more data from last week. Appreciate the support. Picked this up last week. Who likes electric? Anybody? Anyone like electric? No? Okay, we'll leave now.